What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in today. We are having some crazy weather here. There's still snow on the ground, but it's about 55 outside, so I did take the motorcycle for a ride. Didn't record that, but what I am going to record is we have to clean it, and I got a new part for it, so we're going to throw that on it. So why don't you guys sit back and let's move some of this stuff out of the way so I can get it out. Alright guys, just take a look at this thing. She is filthy. Now a lot of this is dust from the garage because I don't have a cover on it because I ride it and yeah, I'm not that worried about it. But we are going to wipe her down a little bit. And then I got a new tail light right there. If you look, let's zoom in a little closer here. I got a new tail light because if you look right there, there's a crack. The lens is cracked on mine. It was cracked like that when I bought it, so I bought a new one today. It was on sale at the Harley store for 40 bucks on the 75% off rack. So I bought it, and it's LED, so we're going to switch that out. So since this is going to sit for the most of the next 3 or 4 or 5 months, whatever, until the salt's off the road or until it gets nice and I want to ride again, I just have a bucket of water and a sponge, and we're just going to wipe her down, get all the dirt and grime and salt off this thing, and then we'll park it. It'll be good enough. No point in detailing it for it to sit and get dusty again. As you can see, that's my good enough car wash. It wiped the dirt off of it. You can still see it's wet. Right now we are going to change out this tail light. We will start taking it apart right now. There's the old one. And here's the new one. Pretty much the same thing. This one's just got some chrome in it, and it's got a clear plastic, and this one's just all red. And this one's LED, so this one's an upgrade. It is just plug and play. Here's the plug. And then I get, the directions told me where to put this, so I have to find a place for that. It also came with grease, so I can... I forgot to show you guys what that one looks like on the bike. So we're going to put that one back on real quick, plug it in so you can see what the brake light looks like, and then that way we can compare the two. It's not on there completely, but it's on there. That's stock. Let's get the LED on and let's compare the two. So I guess this video turned into a bit of a how-to video. So this blue wire here, the spare one there. Focus, focus. So the blue wire here, it wants us to compare to the stock tail light, and in here it wants us to see which terminal on the plug that the blue wire goes into, and we just plug it into that on this plug. So on that one, it's on the very end. Double check, it is the very end. So we will just snap that baby right in there. Till we hear the click. I don't know if you guys heard it, but I heard it. Pull on it, she ain't going nowhere. Let's go install this baby. Alright, so I put my grease on there. Now let's plug and play. Click. Grab the screwdriver. You guys can see this here, or if you can't, there's a clear film over it that I had to peel off because it was covering the screw holes. Alright, there it is. One last thing they gave me, little bar and shield logo for the center of it, so let's install that. Let's test it out, boys. I think it looks way better than the cracked one. The cracked one, it never got any water in it, but it was still cracked, so it bothered me. But now it is time for me to get LED turn signals and LED turn signals in the front. I'm not made of money, so I have to do them like when I find them on the sale rack, or like the back at once, the front at once. So in due time, because before I started YouTube, I already converted all these to LEDs up front. So why not have LEDs all over the bike? They look so much nicer. They're brighter. That's one of the best things about this. It is way brighter than the stock, so people will see you more for safety. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, if you want to see more content like this, let me know down below. But if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that bell, move the bell all the way up to all so you never miss a video. And we will see you guys on the next one. Chevy, do you want to go inside? Did you have too much fun in the garage? Inside? Come on.